What's good, YouTube? Back at it again with another one. And this is a little bit something different and horror games type shit. But today, it's a new challenge. Building App State from the ground up. And the reason I chose App State, to be blunt, they're garbage. Let's be honest here. And we're gonna see if we can turn this university into a powerhouse school. Alright, so our first game is against FCS Midwest. Okay, I think we can beat them dudes, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what our recruiting looking like. 5-star wide receiver. Let's check him out. Put him on the board. We need that right outside linebacker too. Let's see. Let's scout him all the way. Tampa, Florida. Oh, he a Florida jet. Okay. Oh, 97 speed. Oh yeah. Here you go. Scholarship right there. Send the whole house, goddammit. We're getting this dude, bro. Okay. It's not terrible, you know. No. Yeah. Contact families and friends type shit. I don't know if I want to offer him a scholarship yet. You know what, forget it. We need what we can get, bro. We App State. We need everybody. Let's be honest here. Be honest here. Nah, let's get into week 1, boys. Let's do this. Let's see, what jerseys we gonna rock? We'll rock the home. We'll rock the home. Black on black.
Welcome to Kid Brewer Stadium, home to the Giant Killers, the Appalachian State Mountaineers. Who North Carolina has really been excited for this matchup that we have in store. And he takes this from inside the 5. Not a lot of space to be found. Good hustle by the coverage team, and they stop him at the 21.
Let's see. We're gonna run it first. Get a block. Get a block. Take good little run. Take shit. Oop. Goddamn, bro. Shoot. When in doubt, mess it out, chat. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, never mind. God dang, chat. Oh, there you go. Oh, my gosh. You buns, bro. It touched your hands, dog. Come on, bro. Yeah, that nigga's getting replaced. Go look for his replacement right now, recruiters.
Hey, Waterboy!
Yes, Mr. Coach for you.
You're fired!
Okay.
Get there. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Oh, heck. Bruh, he should have been concussed after that. Alright, game. Okay, good tackle, boy. No. Damn it. Alright, bro. It's gonna be a long ass season, chat. All right. I'm gonna try to mesh one more time, bro. There you go. There you go. See, that's how you should have ran it the last time and got more open. Should have chose a different playbook, chat. Actually, nah. It's the App State experience. Ooh, slide. There you go. Ooh, that was close. I can't even cap. Damn. All right, let's see if this screen. See this. What this screen gonna do? There you go. Hit the juke. Oh, there you go. Go, go, go. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Okay, man. Okay, Joey. What the name? Joey Aguilar? Oh, wait, no, sorry. K. Roberts. There you go, man. That's what I like to see. That's how you run the ball, boy. Oh, oh. There you go. There you go. We like that. We love that. We love that. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay. A jet sweep? I mean, shit. Let's see what we gonna do. This may work. Let's get blocks. There you go. Get a block. Okay, okay. 5 yards. I got more. Buddy held the block over there. But that's alright. That's alright. Chew his ass out on film. That's what I'm gonna do later. But they gonna be puking up honey buns to, yeah, yeah. Do that shit again, man. Little run here. There you go. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Boy, looking like a mini Derrick Henry out there. How many times that boy touched the ball? Run it with that. Run it with him again. Come on. Keep feeding him. Oh, yeah. Take that outside. Ah, bro. Ugh, come on, lineman. You gotta hold that block, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, throw it away, throw it away. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, bro. I'm going for it, chat. There you go. Yeah, high risk, high reward, man. Well, we gonna go. Let's go. Damn. Come on, man. Oh, hell. The whole box is stacked, bro. What are you doing? Oh, Lord, bro. Ooh, the game tested my patience already, bro. Shoot. Shit, now I got stuff like that. Oh, 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 oh. Touchdown! Let's go. Come on, man. Talk to me. Talk to me. Don't talk to her, talk to me.
Really, nigga?
Get this thing off. Come on. Defense, let's do better than we did last time. Let's go. Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it. Watch that. Yeah, I'm on that. I'm on that, chat. Yeah, I seen that. Seen that from a mile away. Read that play like a book, boy. Oh, Lord. There you go, there you go, there you go. Good job, good job. There you go, let's go. There you go, defense. That's how y'all should be coming every play. Pause. Oh, 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 oh. All right, let's go score now. Oh, oh, oh. There you go. My boy Robert's carrying out here. Can't lie. Can't even lie, bro. Oh, bruh. I didn't even get over there that fast. Let's see what happens here. There you go. Get up out of bounds. Get up out of bounds. And get you getting injured, boy. Oh shoot. Fade that boy up. Hold on, let's see. Oh hell. Should not have thrown that. I should have thrown that shit. Let's go. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, that was pure luck, chat. But hey, head time. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color, FCS Midwest cornerback? Brrr. Looking heady. Yeah. All right. Let's give him to punt that thing again. Shut it down. There you go. Oh, go. Get over there. How you gonna let the QB stiff arm you? Come on, bro. Almost had him. There you go. Way to strap that shit up, boy. Get it crunk. We crunk up in the app. We crunk up in App State, boy. We crunk up in App State, boy. Yeah, get that student section going. Stadium post going up. Come on. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Oh. Almost got loose, my boy. All right, defense. Just do what y'all keep doing, bro. And we gonna be straight. All right, let's go. God dang it, bro. Come on. Yeah, blitz. They gonna run that, John. There you go. They're gonna have to pad that, John. Watch it. Whoa! Ain't no way, dog. Come on, bro. Ain't no way, dude. That's some BS. That's some BS if I've ever seen it, bro. Yeah, there you go. I knew they was gonna run. I knew it. There you go. Give him nothing. Yeah, what I say? Knew he was gonna. No! Oh, I hate this dude. Bro. I hate him so much. I hate this dude so much, chat. He is such. Ooh, he a lucky bastard. He is such a lucky bastard, boy. He better count his luck. That shit gonna run out soon. No! Aw, damn, the defense falling apart now. Come on, bro. Come on. That's holding, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude. Come on, bro. Stop him at least for a field goal. No way he caught that. That's some BS if I've ever seen it. No. There you go. Shut that down. Shut that down. Press up, press up, press up, press up, press up. Press up, press up. I knew they was gonna do a little screen or something. There you go. Shut that down. Force them to a field goal. You gonna try to run it. Let's try to run it. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Workhorse, my boy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Way to fight for yards. Bruh, I tried to hike it. Oh gosh, bro. They just hating on the kid now. Run that, run that. Oof. Good little run, good little run. Oh, good catch. Take the ball. No, no. Oh, I sold chat. Chat, I sold. I sold chat. Oh no. Oh hell, chat. Okay, defense. I need y'all right now here. There you go. There you go. Good tackle. Good tackle. There you go. Good tackle. Good tackle. Switch it back. Switch it back. Damn. I shouldn't have known gonna get shit. They ain't getting none of that. Ain't getting none of that. Catch that. Oh. Good defense, though. Good defense. Good defense. I like that. I like that. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh. Get him. There you go. There you go. No more running. No more running. Jose. What's his name? Quarterback. It don't even matter right now. Shut that shit down. Oh, wait. No, that's our quarterback. It don't matter. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Make that boy fumble. Make him cough up that rock. And they running that no huddle, boy. Anything home to a field goal because they have to score. 3 ain't enough. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. They gotta pass that, John. There you go. Let's go. Shut this out. Shut this out. And we got the ball back. Let's go. Clutch pick. This one should be wraps. See what happens here. Oh. Brrr. Brrr. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to send this one off, chat. First dub of the season. Let's get it. Power in for that touchdown. That's alright, that's alright. See if this stretch works. I usually don't do stretches. Oh, there you go. Touchdown. Let's go. Let's go, chat. This is a new era of App State football. Cause I'm in there big. That's why. Gobble that boy up like a turkey. You know they're gonna pass it though. Down the waist. They got one timeout left too. What they gonna do? Or is they gonna rise to the occasion? It looks like they folding right now. Oh Lord. Got lucky that boy tripped. There you go. There you go. Nothing. Dang. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, chat. I did not mean to do that, chat. Ooh. I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. But it don't matter. If they get this 2 point, they still down. So, and they didn't get the 2 point. We won. They're gonna try the onside kick. They ain't finna get that shit. Cause we got the hands team. There you go. Hell no, we ain't need. Men's for bitches. We're gonna send this off right. Oh, nothing. Just dump it off to the running back. And that's ball game, chat. Hell yeah. New era. And I ain't talking about the 50s. That was the first game. And hold on, let me see something before I let y'all go. Let's see who our biggest opponent is right now. Team schedule. Oh shit. Kinda got a tough. Not too bad. Not too bad. Our only big opponent is Clemson, really. I think we pretty straight against all these other teams. We might lose like 1 or 2 or 3. Who knows? Who knows? But we got a dub here. And don't worry. I only did 1 game for this because it was a little timing. But don't worry, in the future ones, I'm gonna hit y'all with some more games instead of just 1 every video. So, without anything else, see y'all in the next one. House of Ashes coming soon.